Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Forms branding with custom headers and images. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. On the Google Forms homepage, click on the blank form or select an existing form you want to customize. Locate the palette icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the palette icon to open the theme options. Here, you'll see an option labeled Header. Click on Choose Image under the Header section. You can upload an image from your computer, select one from your Google Drive, or choose from the gallery provided by Google. If uploading, click on Upload and select your image file. Once the image is uploaded, it will automatically be set as your form header. To customize the background color, go back to the theme options. Select the color you prefer for the background of your form. You can also adjust the font style by selecting the drop-down menu under Font. Choose the font style that fits your branding. Review your changes by clicking on the preview icon at the top right. This will allow you to see how your customized form looks. Once you are satisfied, return to editing your form. Continue to add questions and other elements as needed. Your Google form is now set up with custom branding that reflects your style. When ready, share your form with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.